Hello, in this tutorial, we are going to learn how to send MATIC to another MetaMask account or to someone using MetaMask. So let's get started. First of all, we are going to need the person's MetaMask wallet address. So I have mine ready. They send it to me using their messenger, or they can send it to you in WhatsApp or whatever, but you just have to have their MetaMask wallet address. However, how they're gonna send it to you is up for you guys to decide. So anyways, once you guys have that ready, we can get started. So right now, obviously, you'll also need your MetaMask account. So yeah. So right now, I have the person's MetaMask wallet, of which I want to send Matic to, right? And also, I have a new tab open right now, so which is great. And also, you're gonna need your MetaMask extension. So I have a MetaMask extension right now. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna click on it, right? And then what you can actually do is also expand it. So you just click on these three dots and then expand view. So click on the three dots and expand view. If you guys aren't logged into your MetaMask yet, just log in and unlock your MetaMask wallet. And if you don't have a MetaMask yet or don't have the MetaMask extension yet, I can make another video for that. But right now, we're just gonna learn how to send Matic to another. We're gonna learn how to send Matic using MetaMask. So I want to send Matic, right? So what I'm gonna do is click on send, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy the address of the MetaMask wallet of the person which I want to send it to. I'm gonna go back to my MetaMask over here, and I'm gonna paste that address. And I'm gonna choose the amount that I want. So I select Matic, right? You can send other things as well. You can send IXT, BNB, USDC, wrap Ethereum. It's the same procedure for any token you want to send. But right now in this tutorial, I want to send Matic. So I want to send Matic. I choose Matic, and I'm gonna send 0.9 Matic. So I'm gonna click on next, right? And I'm gonna confirm it. So it's sending right now. It's pending. Pending means loading. And once it's done, it's gonna say it's confirmed. So just wait. So here in your MetaMask, you can actually see your activity, so stuff that you've did. So right now it just confirms, see right there, transaction 6117 confirmed. So right there it's confirmed, right? So if I click on it, I can actually see the transaction details. If I wanna, so status confirmed, right? So if I wanna look into more, if I wanna take a look of the transaction more in detail, I can just click on this view on Block Explorer, and I can just see the details of the transaction. So this is from me, and then to this, and then the value, the amount of Matic I sent them, 0.9 Matic, which is 0.82, and yeah. So let's go back to our MetaMask, and that. So that's it for this tutorial. Also, you can also look up your assets over here. So assets that you own, and then activity is what you look at for the transaction that you've made. So that's it for this tutorial. We'll learn how to send Matic using MetaMask. And if you guys have any questions, suggestions, or concerns, feel free to comment down below and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and hit our notification bell so that we can make more videos for you guys and help you guys out, and we can all learn. Thank you. That is it. Bye-bye.